To configure and manage your YouTube account in the 𝐉𝐨𝐢𝐧 dashboard, click on the Settings. After creating your Google Cloud account, go to the APIs and Services section. Then, click on Credentials. Begin your project configuration by filling out the app information. Finally, click Create to finalize your app setup for OAuth integration. From the side menu, navigate to the Clients tab. Find your web client in the list and click the pencil icon under the Actions column to edit its settings. On this page, you will find your client ID and client secret. Paste the client ID and client secret you copied from the Google Cloud Console. From the API library, find the YouTube section. You must enable all 3 key APIs. Navigate to the Data Access section, adding the required YouTube API scopes. In the YouTube API settings, copy the redirect URL provided. Paste the following redirect URL in the Authorized Redirect URL section. Click Save to complete the configuration.